The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
I'm prepping her face with a primer and a moisturizer, and I'm getting the brows ready. Now with a sharpened pencil, this one actually has a very thin pointed edge. I'm gently brushing light hair-like strokes onto her brows. Now you can see that her brows are not bad at all. I'm just adding a few strands of hair where I need them. Now when that is done, I would go in to clean up the brows by mixing up her foundation with a concealer, starting from the left all the way in. I will do these to the top and the bottom on both eyes. This is just a way to clean up the brows. Now I mixed the foundation with her concealer just because I do not want it to be a high contrast. I needed it to blend more with her face. Now, once this is done, I would go in with a powder on a brush, like a white powder or a translucent powder, a no color powder, and just tap so that it's in place. Now remember, I pulled down the foundation over her lids. That's why I went over it with powder. This will form a good base for the eyeshadow. So I'm starting with a darker shade of her powder, which will serve as a contour powder. And I'm also mixing it up with her powder color just over the crease. So the crease of your eyes are like right on top of your eyelids. And I'm just sweeping it all over her lids. Now I'm going in with a darker shade. It's a black shade from the Too Faced 2018 Christmas celebration palette, Reinvented, and it's a black shade, creating a winged effect on both eyes. Just applying only on the outer corner, brushing it outward, and going inward towards her lash line. And from here onwards, I would go in with a creamy concealer or any concealer you can lay your hands on to map out everywhere that I want to put the brighter color. Now this will allow you to stick on properly and to last longer. You know the drill, so enjoy.
till I get up, time is barely on our side.
And now I'm working with two eyeshadow shades. I would use the brighter one in the middle, and on the sides and the inner tear duct, I would have the warmer color, so the warm and golden color on the sides. So you have warm gold, a silver looking color, the warm gold, and the black. Now I'm buffing it out with the brown from her powder and straight to lining the eyes. The waterlines, top and bottom. Remember, it's a smoked out effect. Afterwards, I will be smudging with that same black shadow over the eyelids on the lash line where I've lined with a pencil. I'll take a little eyeshadow with a smudge brush and just go over the edges just to buff it out like this. Easy, right? Now once you're done with all of this, you would clean up under the eyes, apply your primer, and go straight to the foundation. I am using today an easy to get foundation. This is Milani and this is the coconut. So it's foundation and concealers and powder.
wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I am applying her concealer to her nose and her forehead and every place that I want to stand out. Carefully blending it out. We do not want streaks. Take your time to blend this out. I'm going over with the excess under her eyes. Now with a very soft brush, I'm applying a translucent powder in a soft tapping and pressing motion. And first I start with under her eyes and go to the bridge of her nose, under her lips, the top of her brows, and eventually I blend everything out beautifully, leaving us a wonderful canvas to work with.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Going in with a lip balm, I am applying a pencil, a dark brown, medium to dark brown pencil, as it applies to your skin tone. And then I'm going over with a brush to blend it in. After which I'm applying a nude color. And this is from MAC, but you can use any nude color that you find. I'm going over this color with a beautiful and luscious lip gloss called Ludicrous. It's by Milani. It is super gorgeous. Look at that. I so love this color, guys. I'm not even kidding. And now I'm cleaning up around her lips with what I have left on the beauty blender. Now prepping her eyes with a mascara for her eyelashes. Oh boy, and she already looks like a baby doll. We're super excited about this look because we started from the hair to the makeup and it all came together because I have such a gorgeous model. Are you guys ready for this? In 3, 2, 1, and woo! Told ya. This is beautiful.
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Thanks so much for watching, beautiful. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.